Hi guys, today's topic is gene dissection. So, considering a biochemical pathway A to F, compounds A to F appears to be the members of an enzyme pathway and strains 1 to 5 contain single mutation. So, in these type of questions, mainly two things are asked. First is the order of the pathway and second is the order of the mutation. So, to find the order of the pathway, we have to look for columns, and to find the order of the mutants, we have to look for the rows. So, to find the order of the pathway, we have to keep the minimum positive signs on the left side and maximum positive signs on the right side, and following the increasing order. Similarly, to find the order of the mutants, we have to look for the maximum positive signs on the left hand side and minimum positive sign on the right hand side. So let's see this example. Over here we have to find the order of pathway. In this, let's look for the minimum. We have to check the columns and then we have to see the number of positive signs. So in B, minimum number of positive signs are there, B, then D, after that C, then A, then F, then E. So this is the order of the pathway. In case we have to find the order of the mutant, then we have to look for the rows. So maximum positive signs are in row 3. So M3, M2, M1, M4 and N5. So this is the order of the mutant. Let's look at another example. Several mutants 1 to 5 are isolated, require compound F for growth. The compounds are known, but the order of biosynthetic pathway is unknown. Each compound is tested for its ability to support the growth of each mutant. In the following table, plus sign indicates growth and minus sign indicates no growth. So in this we have to find the pathway. Trick is same. For pathway we have to look for columns, maximum positive on the right side and minimum positive on the left side. Okay, so let's see. Column A contain 4 positive signs, column C contain 5 positive signs. So we have to look for the minimum positive sign, which is in F. So we'll start from F, after that E, then B, A, C. C containing the maximum number of positive sign. So this is our pathway. Now for the mutant, we have to look for the rows. So maximum number of positive sign in row A, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. So this is the pathway and this is the order of the mutant. So order of the mutant.